But where's the room tour? Where's the room tour? Room tour? But where's the room tour? And before we start the room tour, I just wanted to say, be prepared to hear me say a lot of stuff is from Goodwill or thrifted, because it is. So just be prepared to hear that a million times in this video. This is my room. This is the top of the stairs. And I actually did that wall. I made that out of free wood you get from behind restaurants and stuff. And I got these mirrors from Goodwill and I painted them black. They used to be silver. So this mirror is from Goodwill too. This table I got from Goodwill and I just put some contact paper on the top of it. I got that plant from Goodwill. And that box I got from Target. That just holds like my hats and my gloves, you know. So going down the stairs, we have my mirror. I painted this. I also got this from Goodwill. I got this plant from Goodwill. And this is the rest of the wall. I did that all myself. So my entire room I built myself and I spent under, I want to say under $800 on it. So I have my shoes down here, just like the shoes I wear the most. I have like my catch-all and it's just like my keys, my money, my chapstick. I got these plants from Goodwill, this mirror from Goodwill. And then up here I just have like my medals, and I actually made this out of a picture frame and I glued some, I don't even know what those are called, but I glued those and then I printed some Polaroids and I put it up there. Got those plants from Goodwill. I actually spray painted a mannequin head just so it would match my room, and I put my hats on it. And over here is my collection of hats. So I tried to do like the black in front just so it matches my room. And I have more plants because I'm obsessed with plants. I don't know if you guys see it in the back of my videos, but I love my plants. And then I just have like my brushes and all my hair stuff in there and my lights up there. And this is what it looks like walking into my room. And then on this side, I have my garment rack just with like my coats on it. And then I have like my slides down there. This is just like coats I need to grab if I'm leaving or I need to go somewhere. I actually got that pot from a grocery store and I painted it black, and then I found this plant at Goodwill. And then on this wall, I have my cube organizer. This I got from Goodwill actually, and it was really cheap. I found this marble stone like slab. It was an extra from Goodwill. It was like $1, and I was like, oh, I'll put my glasses on it. I made that plant back there. All that stuff is from Goodwill. I have like my beanies and hats, and then this is like my pajamas and like t-shirts, just extra clothing like that. I have my cotton rounds and all, whatever, the Q-tips. I have my plant. I think I overwatered it because it's kind of dying, but that's my only, well, there's one more living plant. There's two. This is one of them. And then come over here. This is where I film my videos that you guys see. And on here, I just have like my skin stuff, my deodorant, my spray bottle. This is fake, another plant from Goodwill in the pot. I got this from Aldi's. I really like this. I usually charge my my AirPods on this, or I plug in my ring light when I film for you guys. This is just another skincare thing. I got these chairs off of Facebook Marketplace. They were like 20 bucks. And then you guys see this in my video. This is my hair basket. I actually have so much on it that I had to buy another one. You'll see it in a minute. I got that from Target for $3. I got this. It's from IKEA, but I actually got it from Goodwill, of course. And You probably wonder which door this is in my video. So this door is actually to a storage room that I kind of want to make another closet. It's kind of messy right now, so I'm not going to show it. And then this door is to my closet. And I told you guys I put all the walls up myself and I painted everything myself. So I have like my long sleeve shirts up here. I have my short sleeves down there, and then this is like hoodies and sweatshirts and everything like that. Back there I have like extra socks and clothes I barely wear. Here are my shoes. I actually have that shoe rack in the front too, just because I don't have enough room on this one, so I got rid of a few things, so there's like 2 more spots. And then up here is more hair stuff and like skin stuff. Yeah, I have another place for it too, so that's on the second spot. Then there's a third, and then here's my mirror for when I'm changing. And then these mirrors, I just thought this was like such a bright idea. So I actually made this barn door out of closet railing, and then I cut this door down because this is actually a beam. So I put a piece of wood up here and I put the closet railing and I made it look like a barn door. And this actually has enough space to swing in front of the mirrors. And yeah, so if you want to make a barn door for 20 bucks, that's how you do it. So there's that. So over here, you guys have never even seen this. This is my living room. So I actually made this wall. I made this out of pallet wood that I found behind some restaurants. And then I stained it like my other wall. I got this at Target, well, the pot, but I made this out of, I think it was dollar store plants, and then I cut it just so it was like straight and I kind of liked it better. And then I hung my TV on that wall, and I hung floating shelves 2 on each side, and they just have a plant and a picture. And then this one has my speaker and then another plant, and then this one has a plant and a picture, and then just 3 plants down here. I actually found this on the side of the road, and I decided to paint it because it was brown and it matched this, but I was kind of like, that's too much brown in my room. So I just painted it white and I wrapped some lights around it, and then I put some clips just so I could hang all of my pictures. And then I have another plant down here. I know I have over like 50 plants if you guys didn't count. And I found this like construction light. It was yellow. I actually painted it white, and then I just thought it looked good down there. So I have my other plant, my lamp. I have my oil diffuser. And then we have my futon. I actually got this futon from Goodwill. It was like $60. The coffee table I got from Goodwill. I painted it white, the top, and then the legs were already like that, so that's why I got it. This couch I actually paid full price for. It was from Bed Bath & Beyond. I think it was like $230, so it was pretty cheap. And then I got this from Goodwill, and I actually found this pillow at Goodwill that matched the couch and everything like that. So like the 3 go together, and I might get a new couch soon. I really want a sectional. I got this lamp from Goodwill. It's a Target lamp though, so somebody got rid of it because it's still at Target. And I just thought it went well with my room because there's only 2 windows down here, so it's not a lot of light. I have this palm tree. I think it's a palm tree. I got this from Goodwill, and I bought this pot from Marshall's. And then we have, this is the view from the bedroom. And then we have another cube organizer. This I actually got from Goodwill too. We just have like I just have like random plants in there, and then I have like my rock. I was looking for a white one so bad, and I finally found one. I got this from Goodwill. It's just like, I think you put candles on it, but I decided to put a plant on it with this. I don't even know what this is called, but it was marble and it just matched my room. And then going into my bedroom, this is what it looks like. So this is actually a cabinet I bought from a garage sale, and what I decided to do was paint it, and then I cut the back and the top out of it so I could cover this box in the basement. And I just think it really hides it, and you wouldn't even really know what's behind it. I think it makes it blend in with my room better. And then I just have like my awards down there, my window, and then here's my other TV. And I decided to hang that shelf down there just because I feel like the TV floating on the wall with nothing would look weird. Here is my other cart. This has my other hair stuff on it. I really want to get something for this corner for my hair stuff, like something skinny but has doors on it so I don't have to look at all my hair stuff. And then I just have like my lamp back there. This area just needs work, but this is my other mirror. I was thinking about hanging it, but if I'm gonna put like another piece of furniture right near, I just won't even put a hole in the wall. And then on this is this plant I found at Goodwill. I actually painted the base of it. It was like a brown wood, and I just thought it would look really good if I put it here, and then I put a light behind it above this picture. I just thought that looked the best. I got this from TJ Maxx, and then I spray painted this light right here. And there's that. Here is my fish. I actually never named it, so I don't even know. If you guys have any names for it, let me know. And then we have my lamp right here. I have so many lights down here, my mom gets mad at me. That's just like my extra water for my fish tank. There's some plants on here, the filters, fish food, all that. And then here is my bed. So I'm actually gonna, at the end, I'll turn off all the main lights and I'll show you all the lights I have hung up because I actually have a lot. So I painted the ceiling myself by hand. Usually people spray it with like a spray gun. I did this all with a paintbrush and a roller. It's a lot of ceiling. I painted the walls myself, so I actually put all these walls up, and then I just painted them the same color I wanted to paint the cinder block. I painted these mirrors that I got from Goodwill. This is actually a cheap shelf I got from Home Depot, and I just bought longer, I bought like longer shelf brackets, and then I can make it a countertop. So I'm just gonna go and we can turn off all the lights and you can see what my room looks like. Watching this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and be sure to check out my TikTok because I posted my room tour there and it's doing pretty well, so